I'm going to show you how you can get the TikTok watch and earn option. First off, from TikTok here, you want to go ahead and then three-part settings up here. And then you want to go to TikTok Studio like this. Now, once you have opened TikTok Studio like this, you want to tap on More Tools here. Now, if that doesn't work, then go to View All here on Monetization. Tap on View All Monetization here. Now, on here, scroll down and then you want to find Creator Awards program like this. Now on here, you want to tap on Finding Creator Rewards Program like this, right? Now on here, scroll all the way down and make sure to read this blog post here. Scroll all the way down. Now once that's done, go back. Now you want to tap on this button to create with TikTok Studio. Tap on Download. Tap on Download TikTok Studio. Now let's just wait for it to load. Now once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and open TikTok Studio here. Now once I'm on TikTok Studio, I'm just going to wait for it to load. Once it loads, I'm just going to go ahead and go to Monetize. Now, on Monetize, unfortunately, you'll see very shortly that I won't be able to go to the watch and earn settings here, right? Let's just wait for this to load and you'll see that there's no watch and earn settings here. Now, the way we're gonna fix this is we're gonna go back to the TikTok app like this. And on TikTok and app here, you want to go ahead and go to the three-part settings on top. Let's just wait for it to load again. Go to the three-part settings up here. Now, on the three-part settings here, go to Settings and Privacy. On here, you want to scroll down. You want to tap on Report a Problem. On Report a Problem, you want to go ahead and go to Creation. And then you want to scroll down and you want to tap on Other. On Other, tap on Other again. On here, tap on Need More Help. Now on here, you want to tap a message and you want to type in you can't find the watch and earn option. And then hopefully TikTok support will get back on you real quick.